Hello, I'm Diego from AFN and I'm here to run you through some of the specs of AFN Boulevard for your Toyota Land Cruiser 250. This bumper was developed taking into account some very important points. So number one, protecting mechanical components in case of an impact. Number two, improving the visual aspects of the vehicle, always following the original lines. As we can see from the mask, we have developed the same line, the same configuration as the headlights. Number three, improving off-road performance. Number four, we have the integrated winch mount, so we have an easy access to the winch. Number five, we have the spotlighting mounting points. Number six, we have the rated recovery points. Number seven, we have always two skid plates, the front one which is aluminium 6mm thickness and the second one it's steel 4mm thickness. AFN objectives has always been to develop its products with the following characteristics. Number one, not cutting the OEM bumper. We were the first company in the world to do so. Number two, we use injection-molded plastic parts for a better finish. Number three, we maintain all OEM features, parking sensors, front camera, radar and headlight washers. Number four, we always ensure that the air intakes are not obstructive. Number five, we improve the approach angle. Number six, we utilize the OEM fog lights with the iron harness, which means no need to cut wires. And last but not least, we aim to be easy to install. Visit our website to find your local distributor to purchase yours. Thank you.